Sean.
Hey, Rob. How are you?
How's it going, man? Good to see you.
You too.
All right, well, this is not a bad spot.
Doesn't suck.
So I know you have lots of properties you want to show me, but this is the first one. Why is this one the first one that you want to show me?
You know, this is a bit of our flagship property. I mean, you're here on the beach. You've got about 12,000 square feet. You can host a giant event on a lawn down there. You've got a pool, palapa, gym. It's kind of amazing. So the house is 8 bedrooms. You've got a main house with 4 bedrooms, and then a casita that has a queen-size guest bedroom, and then a giant master with a dual bath, like his and hers bathroom. Below us are 2 guest casitas as well that have an outdoor kitchen.
And so when I first walked in, the house didn't seem like the property was so big, but this is a really big property.
Yeah, so the property is about 1 acre. It was developed by the original developer of the one and only Palmilla, which is about 3 houses that way. It was built to look like the hotel, so everything kind of blended together when they originally developed this area. And it's one of the oldest estates in Palmilla, and I think it's one of the most impressive estates in Palmilla.
What do you think 3 of like the biggest features are of this house?
I would say, for one, it has the largest private gym in Cabo. It's
Like-
about 3,000 to 4,000 square feet of a gym.
That's bigger than my gym that I go to.
It's bigger than most like private gyms open to the public. You've got your own private beach with volleyball court, fire pit.
So you have your beach club,
Yep.
your resort, and then you kind of get to this level where you have a massive pool.
You've got a massive pool. You've got a palapa where we've got bartenders that'll be making you drinks all day. And then you've got this great house to go to bed to at night.
It's like almost like a hotel then. It's staffed out, or how does that work?
Yeah, so our concept was to literally create a hotel experience in a home. You can have it fully staffed. Everything comes with a maid and a housekeeper. And then you can add on bartender, butler, private chef.
You're saying I could literally have this thing fully staffed out like it's a hotel.
You can have whatever you want. Our goal and our concept is to make whatever you want happen. And we make it happen.
Okay, well, it is hot outside. So
Very.
Can we go inside? Can you show me
Yes.
inside the house?
Please.
Thank you.
Because it's steamy.
It's a hot one out here.
All right, so this is the main area of the house. Thank you, Mario. I've got a little cold towel because it's
gosh. Mario just became like my favorite person on the entire planet.
hot, right?
No, it's not that bad. I know you said we have 4 bedrooms upstairs.
So in the main house, which is where we are now, there's 4 bedrooms, all ensuite bathrooms, 2 with king beds, 2 with 2 twin beds. You've got a chef kitchen, living room, dining room, and then we've got a bar over there.
And then you kind of have these little casitas all over the place.
Correct. So we've got a casita next to us that has a queen bed bedroom and then a master bedroom, obviously with king bed, dual master bathrooms. And then down below the pool, we've got 2 additional casitas there.
You said this is kind of like having your own little mini hotel. You said have a chef whipping up stuff.
Yep.
Does that usually kind of come with the package, or do you choose it?
You choose it. I mean, that's an add-on. We have amazing ladies that work in the house who make some of the best breakfasts, homemade tortillas, homemade tortilla chips, salsas, all that stuff.
So I know we have lots of places to see. What are we going to see next?
So next we're going to see Rio de Luna, which is a beautiful house on a hill that overlooks all of Palmilla. But we got a lot to do today, Rob. Do you think we should get a cocktail, get some lunch, head out to the palapa?
You had me a cocktail and palapa.
Perfect.
Palapa. It's actually kind of a weird word.
It is a
Palapa.
weird word. I mean,
Who made up that word? All right, well, this does not suck.
no, this doesn't suck at all.
Here we go, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mario.
Cheers.
Cheers.
You have not disappointed.
I hope you're hungry.
I am starving. Perfect. And sweating. You know what they say? Sweat it out and tequila in.
Sweat out and tequila.
I made that up.